request Honorable Chief Guest Ms. Violet D'Souza to address the gathering.
Good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, everyone. May I expect perfect silence in this venue? आपसे अनुरोध करती हूँ सभी शांत बैठ जाएं। अभिभावकों से अनुरोध करती हूँ सभी शांत हो जाएं। Thank you. Esteemed dignitaries on the dais, Reverend Father Rudolph Rodriguez, Manager, St. Mary's School, Principal, Reverend Father Vijay Tellis, dear parents, and my cute little angels. I am truly honored to be here amidst you today, and I deem it a pleasure to address this august gathering. I am thankful to school authorities for having invited me to this function, and I am going to cherish all that I have witnessed here today. Hats off to you, dear children, for the mind-blowing and commendable performance with various foot-tapping dances, melodious song, skit, action song, and so on and so forth. At the outset, I wish to congratulate the management and the staff for the amazing convocation ceremony. Shall we give them a huge round of applause? May I request all the audience to give a huge round of applause to the little ones as well as to the teachers. जोरदार से तालियां बजा के हमारे नन्हे बच्चों को बधाई दें. Thank you very much. Kindergarten graduation is a transition phase from pre-primary school to a full-fledged school. It marks a significant step in kids' life. Dear students, I wish you all the very best as you climb the ladder of success. You are lucky and fortunate. You have such an enthusiastic, vibrant, vivacious, dynamic, and multifaceted leader in Reverend Father Vijay Tellis as your principal, as well as Reverend Father Rudolph Rodriguez as a manager, as a spiritual guru to lead this esteemed institution. Huge round of applause to the leaders. Please put our hands together. As well as well qualified and gifted teachers. Therefore, I say with confidence to all the parents of these tiny tots of this great school that your ward's future is in safe hands. To the teachers, I suppose the teachers are around. Teachers, be wonderful role models to the students because you will be the window through which many children will see their future. You have chosen this noble profession to groom the future citizens of our country. You are here to give them the proper guidance and adequate care. You play an important role as educators. Take for instance a multi-storied building. The size and height of the building depends on the foundation of that building. Therefore, nurture and polish the innate talents of your students. Love them as your own kids. Have a large heart is that of an ocean. Give a pat on the back when the children do something good. Keep your tension and worries at home before you come to school. Give them incentives like smiley, star, colorful cards, scores, certificate, etc. Maybe in the classrooms you can display the charts with a photograph of students, and then you can stick the stars or the smiley. So the children will count the number of stars and the smileys they have got throughout the year, and at the end of the year you can award them. I think that will be a good motivation for the students to do well or to perform well in school. Understand that each child is unique. Do not compare one child with the other. Have patience with your students. Keep the promises you make. Children are like wet cement. Whatever falls on them makes an impression. What our children are going to be in the future is what we make of them today. All your actions are watched by them very closely and duly emulated. And hence, we have to first practice what we preach. It is only then that your students will get truly inspired and motivated. Now, may I request the parents to become calm, maintain silence. पेरेंट्स से मैं अनुरोध करती हूँ, आप बहुत एक्साइटेड हो गए हैं, थोड़ा शांत रहिए क्योंकि आपको कुछ बताना चाहती हूँ. I must congratulate you parents for sending your child to this prestigious institution. Dear parents, just be sincere with your child. Remember, your actions and words should go hand in hand. Your child will follow your actions rather than your words. So just be true to your words. It is time to show the value of education as they climb the ladder of success. So grant them positive reinforcement and support. Spend quality time with your kids. Try to follow the principle which I do myself as a teacher. I used to do for years together. Love and discipline should go hand in hand. Love your kids but don't pamper them. Appreciate the work of the child, whether small or big. Reward the child with incentives like family outing. Nowadays what you see is because of the mobiles and also the television, the habit of reading books is dying out. So if the child scores well in the exams, you can give them with storybooks so that the reading habits in the child, they will develop and do well in all the activities in the future to come. बंद किस्मत के लिए कोई थाली नहीं होती, सूखी उम्मीदों की कोई डाली नहीं होती. जो झुक जाए माँ बाप के चरणों में, जो झुक जाए माँ बाप के चरणों में, उसकी झोली कभी खाली नहीं होती. माता पिता अपने बच्चों की भावना का भविष्य का निर्माण करें, उनमें अच्छे संस्कार विकसित करें, जैसे सुबह शाम प्रार्थना, बड़ों का आदर सम्मान करना, नित्य क्रियाएं करना आदि. बच्चों की क्षमता के अनुसार ही उनको कार्य दिलाएं, उन पर अतिरिक्त बोझ ना डालें. बच्चों में सीखने की क्षमता होती है, इसलिए अपने आप को आदर्श प्रस्तुत करें. नाउ टू द लिटिल वंस. Students, make it a point to greet your teachers every day. Today you got to learn 4 magic words. Thank you, welcome, sorry and excuse me. Will you do that? Yes students? Which are the 4 magic words? Thank you, excuse me, sorry and welcome. Very good. Give a huge round of applause to these kids. Well done. So you got to practice these words, magic words that will enable you to be a better child. In the words of Albert Einstein, never give up on what you really want to do, my dear students. The person with big dream is more powerful than one with all the facts. Before I conclude, I wish to share with you, dear teachers and parents, what Michelangelo, the famous sculptor, painter, architect and poet once said. I saw the angel in the marble and carved until I set him free. Let us be charged with this spirit as educators and do our best. जिस प्रकार एक मूर्तिकार एक परी को देखता है और उसे पत्थर पर आकृति देता है और वो सब जब तक आकृति देता है जब तक कि उसे वास्तविक रूप प्रदान ना कर दें, इसी प्रकार एक शिक्षक और माता पिता मूर्तिकार की भांति तब तक प्रयास करते हैं जब तक कि बच्चों की छिपी हुई प्रतिभाओं को बाहर ना निकालें। ऊंचे ख्वाबों के लिए दिल की गहराई से काम करना पड़ता है। यूं ही नहीं मिलती कामयाबी किसी को, यूं ही नहीं मिलती कामयाबी किसी को, मेहनत की आग में दिन रात जलना पड़ता है। All we need to do is work hand in hand as a well-knit team and work for the progress of the school. I wish you all the very best in the future endeavors. Once again, hearty congratulations to all of you, dear students, teachers and the management of this great institution. Good luck and God bless all of us. Thank you.
Thank you, Miss, for your motivational and encouraging words. Thank you. Hello everyone, my name is Sukmanpreet Kaur and I am Manoj Fatima from class UKG. We are going to present a dance before you, Summer Uran.
Thank you.